Hey, it's Nick from 50 Campfires.
Glenn from 50 Campfires.
And we are in Sanford, Florida, at a place that we've been hearing a lot about.
Wondermade Marshmallows. And I'm excited about this. They have more flavors than I can even count. They make everything in-house. We're gonna head inside and meet Nathan, the founder.
Wondermade started by accident. A few years ago, I needed to give my wife a Christmas present. I didn't know what to do, and I stumbled into, well, what if I got her a recipe for marshmallows and a candy thermometer, and what if that was like a date night we could do at home? We had all these kids, and so we're looking kind of for fun activities. And so we made our first batch, and they were just the best marshmallows we had ever had. First flavor marshmallow we ever did was passion fruit because we were in love, and we didn't know that you weren't supposed to flavor marshmallows. We just thought, well, why not if we're making them ourselves? And so we did the passion fruit. We started doing other fruits, other sweets, and then we kind of thought, well, gosh, everything is working. There was literally not a flavor that did not work, and we thought, well, what are the crazier things we could do? And then we were sitting there one day and we're like, well, what if we did a bourbon marshmallow? I mean, that sounds kind of nuts, but what if that actually works? So we used Maker's Mark, we put it in, and would you believe it? It actually made a really great marshmallow. Okay, so here's what I've got. We've got some skewers of our mint chocolate chip. These are creme de menthe marshmallows with chocolate chips on them. We've got some of our legendary bourbon marshmallows right here, if you can control yourself. And we've got the gold-covered champagne marshmallows. So what's fun about these is these are made with 24 karat gold on the top. Either of you guys have a preference for crazy amounts of toasting?
I'm gonna have it however you serve it. Wow.
Okay, here comes one. You know, a lot of the fun of a s'mores is the melted chocolate. Marshmallow, you can see it kind of just browns, right? But if I toast the gold, you see that?
What?
Wow. Actually see it.
Champagne?
Yeah.
Nice.
You can say
Check
this
it out.
is the world's first toasted popsicle.
So the top is what exactly?
The top is marshmallow. So we've molded marshmallow into the shape. Year-round, we do these in different flavors. This is chocolate pudding on the bottom, vanilla marshmallow on the top. We roll it lightly in a graham cracker dust. And so it's all the things that go into a s'mores, but in the best possible frozen form. And I know people do all sorts of different frozen s'mores, but you've really never tasted what it's supposed to be until you've had a s'more sickle.
And the speed at which it's ready is absolutely incredible.
Yeah. And then the inside is still cold, the marshmallow, right?
Toasted on the outside.
Yeah, toasted on the outside, frozen on the inside, and then the chocolate pudding down at the bottom.
And then is it okay if I just cheat and get down here?
Oh man, it's not cheating. That's the way you're supposed to do that.
Oh!
Get me out of there.
Oh! Someone said something about a marshmallow rehab down that way.
I'll check you in.
I need to go.
So
I need to go.
We just had an awesome experience here at Wondermade Marshmallows in Sanford, Florida. We tasted just about everything.
It was insane. And the marshmallows are incredible. And if you're in the area, the ice cream was bonkers as well.
Yes. So if you're in the area, make sure you stop into the shop. If you're not,
they ship everywhere in the country. Come and check out our friend Nathan at Wondermade Marshmallows. Tell him 50 Campfires sent you.